Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to set a Gmail email to expire in 3 months using confidential mode, right from the Gmail app on your phone. This feature lets you send messages that automatically expire, and it restricts recipients from forwarding, copying, downloading, or printing your email content. It's perfect for sharing sensitive or time-limited information securely. Here's how you do it. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. No need to worry about complex settings. It's all built right into the app for easy access. Next, tap the Compose button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This opens a new email draft where you'll enter your message details. Before you type your email, look to the top right corner and tap the 3 dots menu. From the drop-down options, select Confidential Mode. This activates the confidential settings for your message. Now you'll see an option under Set Expiry. Tap on it and choose Expire in 3 months. This means your email will automatically become inaccessible to the recipient after that period. Once you've set the expiration, tap Save to confirm your choice. After that, just fill in the recipient's email address, add your subject line, and write your message as usual. When everything looks good, tap Send. Your email will be sent securely in confidential mode, and the recipient will see a notification that the message expires in 3 months. They will also be prevented from copying, forwarding, or printing the information. That's it. An effortless way to send emails that protect your privacy and keep your sensitive information under control. Confidential mode offers peace of mind, ensuring your important messages don't linger longer than you want them to. Give it a try next time you want to send confidential information. With this method, your Gmail emails automatically expire after 3 months, helping you maintain security with just a few taps. Thanks for watching.